What's up, guys? Happy New Year. We are welcoming January with a ton of rain. Now's the time to make the video that I make every year. It's the recap of the previous year. So 2025 is the same as every other year. We get to the end and I feel like, dude, I just haven't done enough. I didn't go on enough trips. I didn't build enough. I didn't see enough of my friends, all that. But then when I start making this video, I realize I actually did do a lot, and we went a lot of places and I met a ton of new people. I'd say it's a huge success. I put together all these clips. These are my favorite parts of every month. And the key takeaway here is every one of these clips has a full-length video associated with it. So if you go to the channel and you just go by videos, it'll be in chronological order. You can check any of them out. So here it is. Here's my favorite parts of 2025. Noco Genius 1. This thing is just
Up to has a 345.
In this video, we're swapping out our steel wheels for some about swapping out wheels for me. All right, so this front drive shaft,
Oh, keep it.
stronger than the old Pitman arm. The new black stainless finish from Seymour, so you can see. We got hot dogs, we got wieners.
We got Benetton.
Tastes great, everyone smells it, they want some too. Jones Flow Pack Muffler. I'm going to get it down. And then of course, it's full hydro, so with one finger. And tire deflator kit, that thing is still hooked up. Don't disconnect, but if you ever do have to disconnect it, that would be... We're able to get up, but we're out here as a group, and if we can't all make it, then we're not gonna do it. So we've had some fun out in the snow. So like I said, we actually did do a lot, and I look back and watch this video with a lot of smiling because it's just such a great year. Most important thing is that I got out there and I worked on my stuff, and I spent time with my family, and I balanced it with time out on the trail and met a ton of new people. I just took a couple chances this year, and I was like, you know what? There's no one I know that's going wheeling, and I'm not gonna go by myself. So I just hopped on some trail runs with some people I had never met before. And a little bit of a risk, but it paid off both times, and I've made a ton of new friends. I'm going wheeling with them even more, and you know, trading parts and just hanging out outside of wheeling. So that's what I would recommend to you guys is don't wait. Life is way too short, and I hate to say it, but you could literally die at any time. Whether it's health related stuff or, you know, an accident at work, who knows? You just can't wait. If you want to get out there and go adventure and build and meet new people, you got to do it. Don't wait for retirement. Don't wait for a holiday weekend. Take some leave, whatever you need to do, and go do it. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. That is the reason why I do this, is just getting to chat with you guys, and it's fun when you guys have the same feelings about a lot of stuff, and even when you don't agree with me and you put it down in the comments, I still look forward to hearing from all of you guys. Thanks for coming on this YouTube journey with me, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.